Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking the phone and getting straight to quick settings. This saves time versus digging through menus. Swipe down twice from the top edge to fully expand controls because the cast toggle often hides on the second panel. Look for Smart View or Screencast. That's the active sharing control on Samsung. If you don't see it, tap the three-dot menu or Edit to show hidden tiles. Once visible, you're ready to stop sharing quickly and reliably. Now tap the Smart View or Screencast icon to reveal the current session. This lists the device you're streaming to. Select the active device and choose Disconnect or Stop to end sharing immediately. This severs the cast rather than pausing it. If you started sharing from a specific app like Gallery or YouTube, make sure to hit that App Stop Casting Control as well, because some apps manage cast sessions independently. Make sure audio and screen both stopped. Finish by verifying the cast icon is gone from the status bar and quick settings. That confirms the session ended. If the target device still shows connected, reboot your phone and the receiving device or router to clear stale network sessions. If Smart View misbehaves repeatedly, go to Settings, Apps, find Smart View and clear cache or force stop. It fixes corrupted state. If problems persist, toggle Wi-Fi off for a few seconds to drop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.